Hello students, my name is Aman Sharma. Today we are going to solve the remaining questions of 9th A exercise, that is triangles, congruency of triangles. And this is the 7th question. A line segment AB is bisected at point P. Through point P, another line segment PQ, which is perpendicular to AB, is drawn. Show that QA and QB are equal. Okay. So now there is line segment AB. Let us say this is line segment AB bisected at point P. That means this is the midpoint P, and another line segment PQ is drawn perpendicular to AB. So one more line segment. This is your line segment. Perpendicular means this is the angle is 90 degree. This point is Q. PQ is perpendicular to AB. Show that QA and QB are equal. That means we have to prove that this length and this length are equal. QA this length, QB this length. So if this is midpoint, these two sides are equal. PA and PB are equal. This is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. This is the common side. So side, angle, side, these two triangles will become congruent. We can easily say QA equal to QB by CPCT. In triangle QPA and triangle QPB, so this QP is common. Q, take it as angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. Then AP is equal to PB. This is given in the question. Clear? Now by side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So by side, angle, side, condition or criteria, triangles are congruent. QPA is congruent to triangle QPB. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can say in इसी triangle का एक part QA है, इस triangle का एक part QB है, and these are the corresponding parts. So therefore QA is equal to QB. Reason CP CTC. Hence proved. Okay, note it down. Okay, so 8th question. If AP bisects angle BAC, M is a point on AP. Prove that the perpendicular drawn from M to AB and AC are equal. So let us say AP bisects angle BAC. So this is point B, this is A, this is C. So some line AP. So that means ये दोनों एंगल क्या इक्वल है, AP ने bisect किया है. Now prove that perpendicular drawn from M. M is any point on AP. AP के ऊपर कोई point आपने mark कर लिया M. And perpendicular drawn from M to AB. So this is a perpendicular. This is also a perpendicular. So take it as P, this as Q. MQ MP. So हमें MQ and MP इक्वल प्रूफ करने हैं. So हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है, अभी तक एक एंगल था BAC, AP ने उसे बाइसेक्ट किया, एंड AP के ऊपर एक पॉइंट था M, एंड हमें MQ इक्वल टू MP प्रूफ करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, एक दो क्वेश्चन तो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, बाकी मैं सिर्फ आपको डायग्राम पे ही एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. अब आपको आई गेस इतने सारे क्वेश्चन हमने सोल्व कर लिए हैं. यू नो हाउ टू राइट द ऑल द स्टेंजा एंड ऑल द वर्क. यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट्स प्रूव करने होते हैं कंडीशन में, चाहे वो SAS हो, चाहे SSS हो, चाहे RHS हो. तो वो आपने कैसे प्रूव करना है वो अब आपको लिखना आता है. सो अगर इस ट्राइंगल की बात करें, वी विल बी कंसिडरिंग दिस ट्राइंगल एंड दिस ट्राइंगल. लेट अस से दिस इज योर फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल, this is your second triangle. So दोनों में 90 डिग्री एंगल है, ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल हैं, और ये साइड क्या है, दोनों में कॉमन. सो solution in triangle AMQ and triangle AMP. फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा, AM कॉमन इन बोथ ट्राइंगल्स. देन दिस एंगल इज टेकन एज एंगल 1, एंगल नंबर 2, एंगल 1 इक्वल टू एंगल 2. ओके, हमने यूनिट एंगल पहले लिखे तो एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 1, बिकॉज हमने पहले कौन सी ट्राइंगल लिखी है, AMQ. AMQ में कौन सा एंगल, एंगल 2. AMP में कौन सा एंगल, एंगल 1. सो एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 1, ईच 90 डिग्री. दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन दैट these two are perpendiculars. Then the third thing is take it as angle number 3, angle number 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Reason given in the question. AP bisect कर रही थी, that means ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है. Now this angle and side, angle side. So by angle side criteria or axiom of congruency, triangle AMQ is congruent to triangle AMP. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can say QM जो इस ट्रायंगल का पार्ट था, MP जो इस ट्रायंगल का पार्ट है. QM is equal to MP, region CP CTC. Hence proved. यही हमें प्रूफ करना था. You can note it down. Easy question है. Okay, so this is your 9th question. In diagram ABCD is a parallelogram. This ABCD is a parallelogram, and ABL is a line segment. That means this is a straight line. E is midpoint on BC. So this E is midpoint of BC. And we have to prove that triangle DCE is congruent to LBE. So suppose this is your DCE, this is your LBE. So these two triangles we have to prove congruent. So if this is a parallelogram, that means these two lines are parallel. These two angles must be equal. These two angles must be equal. Reason, alternate interior angle. These two angles are also equal, vertically opposite angles. And as this is a midpoint, so this and these sides are equal. So if this is angle 1, this is 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, we can see in triangle DCE and triangle LBE. So there EC, or we can starting from angle 1 equal to angle 2, reason vertically opposite angles. Then EB equal to EC, EB equal to EC, reason given in the question. And then angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 3 equal to angle 4, reason alternate interior angles. So suppose these two lines are parallel, this is the transversal, so one angle is this and one angle is this, so these two angles are alternate interior angles. So by angle side angle, angle side angle, so these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle condition. Triangle DCE is congruent to triangle LBE. So this is our first part proved. Okay, in the second part, we have to prove that AB equal to LB. Okay, first of all, if these two triangles are congruent, then we can say CD equal to LB. Reason CPCTC. Mark it as equation number 1. And now I know that CD is also equal to AB. Reason opposite sides of parallelogram. So this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can say that AB is equal to LB. So this was our second part. This is also proved now. The third part, AL is equal to twice of DC. I guess that is also easy. Third part, left hand side is AL. AL means AB plus LB. Now LB क्या है? CD. AB क्या है? CD. CD या DC एक ही बात है. So we will replace DC plus DC from equation 1 and 2. AB की वैल्यू कितनी है? DC. हमने पूरी LB को क्या लिख दिया? AB plus LB. Then AB की वैल्यू हमने यहाँ पे प्रूव की है, that is equal to CD. We can write CD और DC same thing. Then LB और BL same thing है. So यहाँ पे हम CD या DC लिख रहे हैं. So this is equal to twice of DC. Hence proved. Okay, note it down. So basically we need to choose the triangles. अगर हमें triangles पता चल गई तो बाकी सारा कुछ almost CPCT से ही हो जाएगा. Question number 10. AB is equal to BD, AC is equal to DC, and angle ABD. So this angle ABD, this complete angle is 58 degree. ABD, this complete angle. And angle DBC, this angle, smaller angle, is 2x minus 4. And angle ACB, y plus 15 ACB, and this angle DCB 63 degree. Okay, now we have to find the value of x and y. So quite easy question. First of all हम ये प्रूव करेंगे कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स क्या हैं? कॉन्ग्रुएंट. I will just give the hint. You have to solve by your own. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side, and this side is common. So by triple S rule, triangle 1 and triangle 2 are congruent. Triangle 1 congruent to triangle 2 by SSS rule, because ये side common है, ये side इस side के equal, ये side इस side के equal. So now this complete is 58. So this part is quite easy. इन दोनों को equal लिख दो. So y plus 15 is equal to 63 by CPCT. From here 63 minus 15. So you will get your answer. The next, this is 48 degree. Then now look at here. This angle is x minus 2x minus 4, and this angle is we don't know, but these two angles are equal. So that means this is 58 by 2, this is also 58 by 2. So ABD is equal to twice of angle DBC. So from just put the values, 58 here, 2 here, 2x minus 4. From here calculate the value of x. Okay, this is your homework. So this is your 11th question. AB, this AB is parallel to FD, AC is parallel to this GE, BD is equal to this, BD equal to EC, this part. Okay, so we have to prove that BG is equal to DF, okay, and CF is equal to FG. Okay, look at here, BG कौन सी ट्राइंगल का पार्ट है? BG is part of this triangle, and DF is part of this triangle. CF इस ट्रायंगल का पार्ट है, EG इस ट्रायंगल का. सो वी आर डीलिंग विद दीज टू ट्रायंगल्स. फर्स्ट इज BEG, नेक्स्ट इज DFC. ओके, बट यहाँ पे क्या गिवन है? इस ट्रायंगल का पूरा पार्ट नहीं, बस इतना सा पार्ट इतने से पार्ट के इक्वल है, बट हमें तो ये पूरा पार्ट चाहिए. सो व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट BD equal to CE. So this is the given in the question. I have just adding DE to the both sides. So BD plus DE is equal to CE plus DE. So BD में अगर आपने DE ऐड किया तो आपका क्या बन गया? BE. एंड EC में आपने DE ऐड किया तो क्या बन गया? CD. ठीक है, नाउ टेक इट एज एंगल नंबर 1, एंगल नंबर 2, एंगल नंबर 3, एंगल नंबर 4. सो दो पैरेलल लाइन्स, वन ट्रांसवर्सल, दीज टू एंगल्स, आर दे इक्वल? Yes, they are equal because they are corresponding angles. Same way, these two parallel lines, one transversal, these two angles are also corresponding angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is part of this triangle. Angle 2 is part of this triangle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is part of this triangle. Angle 4 is part of this triangle. So two angles and उनके बीच वाली side. So this is BE of this triangle and this is CD of this triangle. So by angle, side angle, these two triangles are congruent. So we will do it stepwise. In triangle GBE and FDC, angle 1 equal to angle 2, corresponding angles. Then BE equal to CD. We have proved above. We have proved. Reason proved. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, corresponding angles. By angle, side angle, triangle GBE is congruent to triangle FDC. Sorry. So these two triangles are congruent. So your both answers are proved by CPCT. First part, BG equal to DF equal, reason CPCTC. Second part, रीजन CPCTC. जब आपने ये दोनों ट्रायंगल प्रूव कर दी तो BG एंड DF इक्वल होंगे CPCT से. सेम वे में CF एंड GE, these are also equal by CPCT. Okay, note it down. Okay, student, next question number 12. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, these two sides are equal. Show that altitude AD, so AD is some perpendicular here, is median also. That means हमें BD and CD को equal proof करना है. So this is 90 degree, this side is common. So by RHS देखो 90 के ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? हाइपोटेन्यूज. दोनों का हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है? इक्वल. दैट उसके बाद वन साइड AD दोनों में क्या है कॉमन, सो बाय RHS ट्रायंगल 1 एंड ट्रायंगल 2 कॉन्ग्रुएंट, सो वी कैन से BD इज इक्वल टू CD बाय CP/CP। सो हैंस प्रूव्ड, यही प्रूव करना था। मीडियन का मतलब होता है कि जो AD आपका मीडियन है उसका मीनिंग यही है कि वो इनको इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है। सो अगर BD एंड CD इक्वल है दैट मीन्स दीज टू पार्ट्स आर इक्वल। ठीक है, सो बस कुछ नहीं, परपेंडिकुलर दोनों के हाइपोटेन्यूज इक्वल थे, एक साइड दोनों की इक्वल थी। सो अगर दोबारा से डाउट है तो आप बेसिक ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी जो फर्स्ट वीडियो थी वो दोबारा से देख लेना। इट विल इन दैट वीडियो आई हैव क्लैरिफाई दिस कॉन्सेप्ट। So this is clear now. So BD is equal to CD. Question number 13. Here one figure is given and they are saying that this BL is equal to CM. If we have to prove that AD is median of triangle ABC. So AD median prove करने के लिए हमें this BD length and CD length को equal prove करना होगा, तभी AD median होगा, that is midpoint of the base. So for this we will taking these two triangles, first this and second this triangle. In triangle BLD and triangle CMD. So this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 and 2 equal, reason vertically opposite angles. These two angles are 90 degree each. Take it as angle M equal to angle M, each 90 degree. The third one, BL and CM. BL equal to CM. This is given in the question. So angle, side, angle, side. So by angle, side, triangles congruent. Triangle BLD is congruent to triangle CMD. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can say BD is equal to CD. Therefore, BD equal to CD. Reason CP/CPC. And if BD equal to CD, therefore AD is median of triangle ABC, hence proved. Okay, easy है, note it down. Okay, next question students. AB and AC are equal, that means this is isosceles triangle. AD is a perpendicular, BE bisects angle B, this BE bisects angle B, that means these two angles are equal. Then EF, this is a perpendicular to AB. First we have to prove that BD equal to CD. Second, ED equal to EF. ED equal to EF. Okay. So first of all we will taking considering this triangle and this triangle. I guess ये क्वेश्चन हमने पहले भी किया है in the case of isosceles triangle. I will check the question number. Question number 7 is quite similar. Okay. So first part, consider triangles A, B, D, and sorry, D is 90 degrees, so D we will take in center. ADC. So take it as angle 1, angle 2. AB is equal to AC given in the question. AD equal to AD, common side. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. Given, common, and this each 90 degree. So if these two triangles are right angle triangles, so can we apply, so 90 degree each, right angle triangle, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is AB and AC, that is also equal, and one side is also equal. So by RHS, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. If these two triangles are congruent, then we can say first part BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD, that is by CPCTC. This is your first part proved. Now in the second part, DE and EF, ED and EF. So these two parts we have to prove equal. So we will be considering these two triangles, this one and this one. So BE bisects angle B, that means these two angles are equal, these two angles are 90 degrees, and this BE is common in both triangles. So angle side, angle side. So take it as a 3 and 4, angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to angle 5, and BE common. In triangle BFE and triangle BDE. So angle 5 equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. BE equal to BE, common in both triangles. The third one, angle 4 equal to angle 3, that is given. So we can say these two triangles are congruent. So we can say triangle BFE is congruent to triangle BDE. Reason? What is the reason? Angle side, angle side, angle side. So these two triangles are congruent, and therefore ED equal to EF. Reason? CPCTC. Okay, note it down. Last question of the exercise. Use the information in the given figure to prove AB equal to FE. Okay, information क्या given है? AC and DE equal है, ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल है, and these two sides are parallel. ये दो sides कुछ इस तरह से parallel है, बीच में एक transversal जा रहा है. So that means this particular angle and this angle are equal. So this angle and this angle, take it as 1, 2, 3, 4. These angles are 3 equal to 4 alternate interior angles. This is given, and these sides are equal. So by angle side, these two triangles are congruent. So AB इस ट्रायंगल का पार्ट है एंड EF इस ट्रायंगल का पार्ट है. सो ये दोनों भी आपके इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट BD एंड CF, पहले हम BC एंड BF को इक्वल करेंगे, देन दोनों में से CD माइनस कर देंगे. सो इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल ABC and EFD, बिकॉज B जो है आपका F के इक्वल था 3 and 4, तो मैंने B सेंटर में दोनों BN रखे हैं. किसी A and D के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था, सो दे आर इन द स्टार्टिंग, एंड C and D आर इक्वल, सो दे आर आई हैव प्लेस्ड इन द थर्ड पोजिशन. नाउ angle 3 equal to angle 4, alternate interior angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, sorry, angle 2 equal to angle 1. Reason given. BE, it is given at, okay, AC and DE. AC equal to DE, this is also given in the question. So by angle side, angle side condition, triangle ABC congruent to triangle EFD. Angle side, angle side. 4 3k equal है, so first ये angle, then 1 2k equal है, then ये angle, and then these sides. The first part, AB equal to FE, reason CP CTC. The first part proved. second part प्रूव करने से पहले हमें BC equal to DF, reason CPCDC. Again same reason. Now both sides subtracting DC. Subtracting DC from both sides. From both sides हमने CD, so BC minus CD, DF minus CD. So BC में से भी CD माइनस कर दिया, DF से भी. अब आप देख सकते हो ये था आपका BC, इसमें से अगर आपने CD माइनस कर दिया, यू आर लेफ्ट विद BD. So BD, दिस इज योर DF, इसमें से अगर आपने CD माइनस कर दिया, यू आर लेफ्ट विद CF. So this was your second part. This is your answer, hence proved. Okay student, with this your exercise is completed. Do subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.